Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that can make or break your financial goals: budgeting. Let's be honest, budgeting isn't always glamorous, but it's absolutely essential for taking control of your money. And the good news? There are tons of amazing budgeting apps and tools out there to make the process easier and even, dare I say, fun. Whether you're a budgeting newbie or a seasoned pro looking for an upgrade, this video is for you. We'll explore different types of budgeting tools, from free and simple to more advanced options, and help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's start with the basics. For some people, a simple spreadsheet is all they need. You can easily track your income and expenses, categorize them, and calculate your spending. Google Sheets and Excel are great free options. The downside? You have to manually input everything, which can be time-consuming. Now let's talk apps. This is where things get really interesting. Budgeting apps offer a huge range of features, from automatic bank syncing to spending trackers, goal setting, and even investment tracking. Think of them as your personal financial assistants. Some popular options include Mint, which is a free app that connects to all your accounts and provides a comprehensive overview of your finances. Inab, where you need a budget, is another fantastic option, known for its zero-based budgeting philosophy. It helps you assign every dollar a purpose. There are also apps like Personal Capital, which is great for tracking your net worth and investments, and Every Dollar, which focuses on simplifying budgeting with a clear, step-by-step approach. The key is to find an app that fits your style. Do you prefer a visual interface? Do you need robust reporting features? Are you looking for something free, or are you willing to pay for a premium service? Many apps offer free trials, so I highly recommend trying a few out before committing. Here are some things to consider. Ease of use. Is the app intuitive and easy to navigate? Features. Does it offer the features you need, like bank syncing, expense tracking, or goal setting? Cost. Is it free or does it require a subscription? Security. Does it have strong security measures to protect your financial data? Platform compatibility. Is it available on your phone and computer? Beyond apps, there are other helpful tools you can use. Cash envelope systems are a classic way to control spending in specific categories. You allocate a certain amount of cash for things like groceries or entertainment, and once it's gone, it's gone. This can be really effective for curbing overspending. Budgeting notebooks and planners are also great for those who prefer a more hands-on approach. You can track your income and expenses, set goals, and visualize your progress. No matter which tool you choose, the most important thing is consistency. Budgeting is a journey, not a destination. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. Here are a few quick tips for successful budgeting. Set clear financial goals. What are you saving for? A house? A vacation? Knowing your goals will keep you motivated. Track your spending. Be honest with yourself about where your money is going. Create a realistic budget. Don't be too restrictive. Allow yourself some fun money. Review your budget regularly. Adjust it as needed. So there you have it. A rundown of some fantastic budgeting apps and tools to help you take control of your finances. Remember, the best tool is the one you'll actually use. So, do your research, try out a few options, and find what works best for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments which budgeting tools you use and love. Thanks for watching.